There will not only be one, but two homes coming into the market this summer in Tarzana, south of the boulevard. We are reimagining this 1960s Charles de Bois home into your dream haven. Not only aesthetic changes are happening, we're going structural, electrical, and plumbing. With 4 beds and 4.5 baths, this home has been expanded to 3,000 square feet on a 10,000 square foot lot. There's ample space for this soon-to-be perfect home, and you will be able to entertain effortlessly. Seamlessly connect the indoor and outdoor spaces with the according and sliding doors. Get ready for a grand kitchen with not one, but 2 kitchen islands. The beautiful fireplace separates the dining and living space. The layout has been made not only to entertain, but provide spacious bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms. Stay tuned as we work our magic on this beautiful home. What a beautiful day. Can't wait for the sun to come out though. Oh yeah, and I'm sitting on top of the roof of our second listing in Tarzana, California. Let me come downstairs and show you the update. So a lot's changed since last time you guys came in. There's insulation, there is drywall, brand new plumbing, electrical, and piping. So we've added an additional 300 square feet to this home to build this beautiful grand kitchen. To accommodate the grand living space here, we've had extended the ceiling to 11 feet, and we put this beautiful fireplace to divide the living area with the dining area. So on this wing of the house, we got 4 beds and 3.5 baths. The master bedroom has a beautiful ensuite bathroom, a grand walk-in place for hers, and a beautiful elongated closet space for the men. And the other bedroom has its own ensuite bathroom. And we're doing an extensive amount of work in the landscaping and the pool area as well. Let me show you one of the special features that we're gonna have in this house. Personally, me, I love this feature of the house. It's actually in the exterior end of the property. This structure right here is an outdoor bathroom with a sauna. The next time I update you guys regarding this property, you're gonna be mind blown on how it ends up looking. Now, if you have any questions regarding this property or anything real estate matter, feel free to reach out to me anytime.